Right, here we've got an Antelope. Brilliant little wooden coaster, built by the park themselves. Let's go. Oh, it's a bit rickety.
On that bit, all this bit, yeah. It's the first drop, isn't it?
Here we go. Yeah, nice, like, proper traditional wooden coaster sound. Arms in the air. Here we go. Woo!
I don't like that bit.
And then that's it, you get to go on this piddly little bit at the top here.
That gets your stomach. And then we're going bumpy, but we're going up and down now.
Here we go again.
It's just that first one that gets your stomach at the best, and just bonuses.
Nice little double down. And a ball. Oh, that's got some force to it.
I got hit in the face with a fly then, I think. That's how fast it's going.
Now arms up for the last bit. Here we go. Brilliant. What a fun little ride. Gotta love it. Absolutely gotta love it.